I now need to repair the portion that houses the grid roller towage shaft. I'm going to cut out the boss, fabricate a new one, and weld it back into the housing. As mentioned before, I'm slightly changing the design. I'm going to insert replaceable hardened bushings into the new boss. The hardened bushings, together with the induction hardened chrome shaft towage, will outlast the original steel-on-steel design. It's also an advantage that the bushings are replaceable. With the previous design, any wear resulted in a major repair. Another difference in this design is I'm adding a grease port. Grease will reduce the friction between the shaft and the bushings, resulting in longer operation without wear. The turning for the boss is complete. It's now time to fit it in the housing. It was slightly too big for the holes I cut, so I used a grinding disc on a drill to grind out the high spots. Next, I made sure it was positioned correctly in the housing. All was good, so I dropped the hood and started welding. When the welding was complete, I let everything cool, then pressed in the hardened bushings. Both bushings fit perfectly. It was now time to drill for the grease port I mentioned. I machined this little bush to tap into the boss and sit countersunk in the housing where the grease nipple is located. And that's all the work for this towage portion. I'm using 2 of the old washers, so I cleaned them in the lathe. I also made another 2 washers I want to add. It's now time to assemble everything so the customer can collect. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. As requested, I'm trying to put more attention on my YouTube channel, so subscribe, it will be much appreciated.